Today we're going to be going over a small electronics category that you should be looking out for. Bolo. Hey everyone, welcome back to Resale Dojo, where we grow our reselling businesses together. Today I have a fun little category for us to go over. It is point and shoot 35mm cameras. This one right here is the Nikon One Touch. I actually paid $7.95 for this one at my thrift store, and it sold in less than 24 hours for $150. Now I like selling point and shoot cameras because they're pretty easy to test, they're really easy to store, and they have a pretty good sell-through rate as well. Now there are four main brands that I look out for when I hit the thrift stores. They are Nikon, Canon, Olympus, and Minolta. Those are gonna be ones that you see out there a lot. You're gonna see other ones like Kodak. Pass on those. You're gonna see a lot of generic ones out there as well. Those are the ones I would stay away from because you're not gonna be able to make a good amount of money. The ones that I'm usually looking for are gonna be going for like $60 or more. Ideally, 80, 100, even more than that. Like as I told you before, for the Nikon, you're gonna be looking for this One Touch that's out there. This one went for $150 in 24 hours. I also found this Olympus AF10 Twin. This one went for $6 at my thrift store, and I should be able to get $80 for this one shipped. Now, a common feature on the Olympus is this flip open that they have right there. This is pretty common on most of their cameras. You're gonna find it on this AF10 Twin. You're also gonna find it on the stylus zooms as well. There's a lot of different variations of that one that you could find that will go for like, 80 to 150, 200, even more. Now Canon has a similar camera to that Nikon One Shot that I showed you guys. It's called the Canon Autoboy, and it usually goes around the 150 range as well that you'll see for the Nikons. Now you'll find a lot of Canon Sure Shots out there, and some of those aren't going to the price range that I like to sell. You'll see a lot of them around the $30 to $40 range, but you could find a lot of them also in the 60 or more as well. The last one that I commonly see out there are Minoltas. Now those will have high and low ranges as well. A lot of them you'll find are going to be in the lower range that you'll want to pass, but there are a few really high ones as well. If you find the Minolta Highmatic, that one will usually go for at least $100. One just recently went for $109 plus shipping. And if you're really lucky, you're going to find the special edition of the TC1 from Minolta, and that one just went for $1,700. And that's going to lead me into some crazy higher end point and shoot cameras that you need to look out for. There's some brands out there that you've never heard of, and you probably don't think they're going to be worth anything if you see them, but there's some really insane money that you maybe will find a lotto ticket on. The first lesser known brand that you want to look out for is the Yashica. You want to look for the T2, the T3, or the T4. Now those go for a range of around $150 for the T2, $250 for the T3, and $450 for the T4. There's some crazy money for these items, and these are all used prices. Another one you want to look for is the Leica CM. That one recently went for $1,900. And the last brand you want to look out for is Contax, C-O-N-T-A-X. There are two cameras that I recently saw went for insane money. The first one was the T2 Gold from Contax. That one went for $1,600. And the second one was the T3 Titanium that went for $2,800. Now those cameras are going to be really hard to find in the US because most of them are coming from Japan, which is where they were manufactured. But if you do find them, that is an instant lotto ticket for you. And I mainly just wanted to highlight those because those are not common brands that you do see over here. So if you do see those names, make sure you check them out. Hopefully this quick overview will help you out next time you go sourcing and you see any of these sitting on the shelves or sitting in someone's garage or probably sitting in your parents' house. So thank you guys once again. Hopefully this helps you guys develop a new niche. Make sure you leave a thumbs up on your way out. Leave a comment down below of what other brands that you guys have been finding out there. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bolo.